Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the molecular formula of hexane isomers. Hexane has the molecular formula C6H14. All structural isomers of hexane share this formula. Moving on to the next step. List the 4 isomers already shown in the question. 1. CH3CH2CH2CH2CH2CH3. This is n-hexane, straight chain, 6 carbons. 2. CH3 to CH3CH2CH2CH3. This is 2-methylpentane, methyl branch on C2 of a 5-carbon chain. 3. CH3, 3CCH2CH3. This is 2-dimethylbutane, 2 methyl groups on C2 of a 4-carbon chain. 4. CH3 to CH3CH2CH3. This is 2-3-dimethylbutane, methyl groups on C2 and C3 of a 4-carbon chain. Moving on to the next step. Hexane, C6H14, has exactly 5 structural isomers. The 5 are n-hexane, 2-methylpentane, 3-methylpentane, 2,2-dimethylbutane and 2,3-dimethylbutane. 4 of these are shown, the missing one must be 3-methylpentane. And for the final step, verify 3-methylpentane. Its structure is CH3CH2CH, CH3CH2CH3, a 5-carbon chain with a methyl group on C3. This is a valid C6H14 isomer not shown among the 4 given structures. A. 2-methylpentane already shown as CH3 to CH3CH2CH2CH3, so this is not the missing isomer. B. 2-ethylbutane, this name is incorrect EUPAC nomenclature. An ethyl group on C2 of butane gives the same connectivity as 3-methylpentane, but 2-ethylbutane is not a valid or accepted EUPAC name. C. 2,3-dimethylbutane already shown as CH3 to CH3CH2CH3, so this is not the missing isomer. D. 3-methylpentane, this is the correct EUPAC name for the 5th and missing isomer of hexane. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.